Okay, so have you ever lost to another competitor? All right, has your agency lost to another home health agency? Let me go ahead and clarify a little bit more. Have you ever lost a patient where you had to send a patient's information to another home health agency because the patient wants to transfer to them? Or all of a sudden, you find out that your amazing referral source, that one physician, all of a sudden used to give you guys 10 patients a month, dropped down to 5, and then 3 months from now, stopped even referring patients to you. Look, in this industry, if you allow yourselves to compete among the rest, you are going to lose eventually. You will lose patients. You will lose referral sources. So it is demoralizing to be able to lose a potential business to a competitor, right? You look to other agencies that are being more successful, and it's hard to see the fact that they are winning and you are not getting the referrals that you feel you should have. You have two choices of actions when this happens. When you lose to other companies, to other home health agencies, or they're getting more of the business than you should. Number one, you can go ahead and blame something or someone else and choose and decide that you are a victim. That is, woe is me. Why is this happening to me? It's because of my marketer. It's because of my nurses. It's because of my therapist. It's because of the physician. Look, you can become the victim and choose that. Now, or number two, you can learn from the mistake that has happened in front of you and win the next one. Or win the person back, win the referral source back. If you choose that first plan of action, it's going to make things worse. The reason for this is that you are not taking full responsibility for making that success, for getting those referrals. You're allowing and considering and making a consideration to creep into your thinking that something or someone other than you or yourself is in control of the transaction. Look, if you are a marketer and all of a sudden you lost a referral source, why is that? Did you not put enough action into it? Did you not keep on following up with the person? Did you not make sure that the doctor, the referral source, the client, the patient, the discharge planner, that social worker was taken care of and knew you were there for them all the time? Look, you need to be able to make sure that you own up to anything. Like, if you don't own up to it, this leaves so much room for failure and opens the door for your competition to keep going into your market and keep on taking your patients, keep on taking your deserved referrals, okay? Instead, when you have lost a deal to a competitor, try choosing the path of number two. Take a good look at what happened and why the competitors out there are making more money. The competitors out there are getting more referrals of patients. The competitor's product or service looked more superior to yours. What are they doing that made them stand out? Do they have better products and services? Or is their team of marketers and salespeople more trained, better than you, and well prepared? Take a good look at what happened and why the competitors' products are better. It may just be in the presentation. A great tool to use in getting this information is to have someone other than yourself call that person, call that discharge planner, call that physician, and find out why you're not getting referrals. Look, they're going to be shocked that they're getting this phone call. What you're doing here is you're assessing yourself on where you can improve yourself so this does not happen at all. This is a non-threatening call, which is not pushing for the sale. But what it's doing is you trying to find out and creating control and creating quality procedures to find out how your potential client that you worked hard for stopped referring patients to you or decided not to even refer any patients to you. Look, you need to be able to critique yourself and have people help you find out and critique things to better improve your company. Look, I've seen it happen. It's happened to me where we lost patients. We have a nurse taking care of a client, and all of a sudden we get a call saying that the client wants to transfer to another home health agency. This has happened numerous times in my organization, in people that I know in this business, and the question that you have to find out is why. When the patient says, well, it's because I don't like your nurse. Well, tell us what the nurse did that didn't make you laugh, or didn't make you happy, or did not make you want to stay with our company. Look, you need to find out what's causing problems in your company. If it's some of your staff members and it's happening on a continual basis, is it good to keep them in your business? Or if all of a sudden you find out that a new home health agency has moved into your area, has moved into your referral sources, find out what they are doing. Look, you need to be able to follow up. And before follow up, research. Look, what does this agency have in their website? Are they having better presentations? Cold call them, right? Go ahead and investigate. You need to be able to look into things before you go ahead and just decide to just shrivel up and try to move elsewhere. Look, you already are in there. You're working hard. They know who you are. You need to be able to hold on, stand your ground, and find out what you can do better. Look, obviously they were giving patients to you, right? Obviously, they were giving you time to just go ahead and present to them. Look, they allowed you to take some of their time away. They already gave you some patience. Why are you just going to allow it to just shrivel and die? As a marketer, you need to be first in the people's mind. And this is why we teach people to, when you need to be first in their mind, you need to be in front of them 7 to 10 days. No more than that. You need to be within those 7 to 10 days that you're not there. Give them a call. Send them an email. Send them a video message. Look, you need to be in the top of their mind in order for your company to become successful. Lack of follow-ups, lack of consistency is the reason why we're losing business. And yes, also having the wrong staff members. And most of the time, there are companies out there that I know that I work into. Find out that there's this problematic nurse that they have that's caused them, problems and losing patients, yet they're keeping them. Why do they keep them? One, they say, well, you know what? We don't have any RNs. We can't find any more registered nurses. There's a lot of them out there looking for jobs. Find them. Right? You're just being lazy and not looking. Look for them. Or they say, well, the reason why is, her patients love her. And if the patients love her, why is all of a sudden patients going to another agency? Did you ask that? I actually make it a rule in my organization that a patient being taken care of is taken care of by multiple nurses. I make sure that the start of care is done by one of the nurse managers or the supervisors. Okay, and then all throughout the meeting, throughout the patient being handled, I make sure that, the middle visit is done by one of my supervisors or another nurse. Okay, and then the discharge or the recertification period, we're going to bring in another nurse to see the patient. Look, the reason why the patient only wants to see that nurse is because they were used to having that nurse around them all the time. What you need to do is go ahead and instruct the patient. When the patient's admitted, look, we believe in team nursing. We believe in making sure that there's multiple people handling you, and you be able to get them ready. If you explain to them the policies, the procedures, and what they're going to expect, then ultimately it's going to be able to be good for your organization, and you're not going to lose anything. Look, this is what you need to do. You need to be well prepared on what's going to be happening in the area. Make sure you prepare your staff. Stop losing business, and there's so many different other things that happen for you why you will lose business. Look, give us a call at Home Health Success Academy. We will literally give you a step-by-step process and everything that you're going to face to make sure that your company avoids losing those referral sources, avoid losing patients to other home care, other home health agencies. Look, I know that this is going to be important for you. I know that this has happened to you. If you've been in this industry already for a while or even for a short period of time, you have lost business to other agencies. You have lost patients to other agencies. Look, you need to avoid these things by learning from people who already made the mistakes and have already created procedures on how to prevent this, or when things happen, you're able to retract yourself, plan yourself, and then move forward and get these referral sources and patients back. Give us a call at Home Health Success Academy. We're going to show you how easy it is. If you actually prepare, plan, and I will guarantee that you will be able to reduce the ability of other people to get into your sector and get your patients. Give us a call here at Home Health Success Academy. Once again, this is another important video. Thanks for watching. Congratulations. Keep on going. This is Michael Echeverria. Have a great day.